First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is ANANI BINTI PILUS and my matrix number 2026118505.
Hi, my name is FARHANA BINTI AYUB. I'm from BHM 2603C and my matric number is 2026112149.
Hi, we want to talk about a speech by Rebecca Okamoto that recorded on 19 April 2025. The title is How to Introduce Yourself and Get Hired. The speaker discussed the importance of effective communication by emphasizing that the way a message is delivered plays a crucial role in shaping the audience perception and understanding. Furthermore, the speakers explained that communication is not solely dependent on what is being conveyed but also on how the message is delivered. This skill can be learned and improved in everyday life. In this speech, we identify 4 types of nonverbal communication. First, the speed. The pace of the speaker's speech is normal. She doesn't talk too quickly or too slowly. By speaking slowly, she makes it easy for the audience to understand what she's trying to say. She also avoids speaking too quickly, which means the listener still can catch up what she's talking about. Besides, the speaker set her speech with a steady rhythm throughout her speech because she wants to keep audience attention. Okay, now we move to the next point, which is filler. The speakers inserts the word "of" at the minute 115, which is a slight filler, yet it still seems natural and unscripted. There are no more fillers after that, and she is confident. She is obviously well prepared for her speech. She employs many intonation when providing an example scenario. As you can also see, the example is when she in a dialogue, she speaks with a more intense and quickly.
Next is eye contact. Rebecca Okamoto make an eye contact with all of her audience in the hall. This can help her to express her feeling while doing speech. Moreover, make an eye contact also can reduce her nervous and make and upgrade her confidence. Next, we move to the facial expression. When Rebecca said, "I proudly explain everything about myself" on minute 0108, it feel like Rebecca talked to us naturally and make the speech more engaged and confident. Furthermore, the expression of Rebecca also reflect her high level of confidence and strengthen her connection between audience while doing speech. Rebecca Okamoto conclude that well-structured and self-confident is important in the interview by highlighting your background, skill and strength in a simple way. You can also show your value to the employees to increase the high chance of getting hired.
In this speech, we have 4 recommendations that we can recommend to the speaker. First, we believe she should raise her tone of voice somewhat so that the audience can clearly distinguish between the speech she's giving and the example conversation she is showing. This can increase the audience attention and reduce boredom. Furthermore, it can boost the audience excitement for the speech she is giving. Is that correct, Aisyah?
Yes, I think, but for me, Rebecca should maintain her natural smile and also facial expression in the speech to make audience feel more interest. Moreover, Rebecca should make an eye contact with the audience who seated far away to make the audience feel more included.